making sure that costs are lower for everyday Iowans. Things like expanding access to affordable childcare. We introduced legislation to raise the minimum wage, freeze tuition at our state universities. We introduced retirement security for more Iowans. We were focused on lowering costs for Iowa families by introducing real policy solutions. We also added reproductive freedom. We introduced a bill to add reproductive freedom to Iowa's constitution and expand access to reproductive health care. We believe it's important to invest in public schools by fully funding public schools, by raising pay for teachers, and by stopping book bans, and by protecting our AEAs. Finally, we continue to fight to make sure that kids in public school get the access, the education, and everything they need to be successful and stay in Iowa and live their best lives here. We introduced all of those things, and Republicans ignored each and every one of them. The things we've introduced this legislative session were for everyday Iowans to help make their lives better, and Republicans chose politics and special interests. As we look at what they've done, we know that they've made it harder for people to vote. They've made it harder for people who are trying to lift themselves up with the guaranteed income in our communities. We know that they eliminated AEA mental health services and made it harder for special education. There are many